Hare Krishna, welcome to Radharani's kitchen. Janmashtami is just round the corner and we are thinking what to prepare for the Lord. It has been mentioned in the Bhoga Arati by Bhakti Vinod Thakur that when Lord Krishna used to return from the pastures along with his brother Lord Balram and the other cowherd boys, Mother Yashoda used to serve them a variety of delicacies, and one of them is payashanno. So today I am going to present the authentic recipe of Nolen Gurer Payesh or the Palm Jaggery rice pudding. So let's get started with the recipe. Here I have taken a fistful or approximately 50 to 60 gram of Govinda Bhog rice. I have washed and strained the water. To it, add half teaspoon of ghee and nicely coat the rice with the ghee. Govinda Bhog is a special variety of rice and has a different aroma. It is new rice and thus it has got more starch and it helps in making our payesh creamier. Also soak a handful of raisins to be used later. Now heat half teaspoon of ghee in a pan and roast around 7 to 8 cashews until they turn golden brown. Once done, take them out and keep them aside. Now take 1 liter of full fat milk To it, add a bay leaf and let it boil. Once the milk is boiled, we will let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes in medium flame or until it reduces to 3/4 its quantity. Keep stirring the milk and scraping the sides so that it does not stick to the bottom or the sides. Once it reduces to 3/4, add the ghee coated rice to it. Stir and cook until the rice becomes soft and mushy and we get the desired consistency of the milk. The milk has thickened desirably. Let's check the rice. The rice has also become soft and mushy. In case the rice is not fully cooked, add little water and cook for some more time. Turn off the heat and then add the roasted cashews and the soaked raisins. You can also add a pinch of salt at this stage for better taste. Now it's time to add jaggery. Here I have taken 125 grams of shredded Nolen gur. Remember to put off the flame while adding the jaggery, else the milk may coagulate because of the impurities in the jaggery if any. As the jaggery mixes in, it will release water. But we need not worry because as our payasam cools down, it will thicken. Since we are using shredded jaggery, it will melt in the existing heat of the milk. Our Nolen Gurer Payesh is now ready. So let's take it out in a bowl. I will show you how creamier it is after it cools down a bit. Garnish it with some roasted nuts. Put a tulsi leaf, and our Nolen Gurer Payasanna is ready to be offered to the Lord. The payash has cooled down completely, so let's check how creamy it looks. Doesn't it look thick, creamy and delicious? So this Janmashtami, prepare Nolen Gurer Payasanna, offer and enjoy Prasadam. Hare Krishna.